Hello and welcome back with the channel everyone. So today I'm going to give away these AirPods Pro Gen 2s. So these AirPods Gen 2s are the best Pro models that are available right now, and what you can tell by this is you have to follow some simple steps, and if you follow those simple steps from beginning till the end rightly, you can enter the giveaway and definitely win this giveaway. So for that, what you have to firstly do is subscribe, secondly like this video, thirdly comment on this channel, and also the main points are you should watch all my videos, comment on all my videos, like all my videos. Also make sure to tag your friends in this video as well. Make sure to reply, tell your friends to reply back to your comment saying your name and make him the winner. So if you do that right, you can get the AirPods Pro Gen 2 free from me. And I have been doing YouTube channels since 2018, and I have been doing these giveaways with new channels to help them grow, and I know that people like them because they are getting the chance of having these amazing products for themselves. So I'm doing more of these in this channel as well. So make sure you subscribe, because in the future I'm going to give away iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, so you're going to love it. So make sure you subscribe and watch my videos so you can take part in those things. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys follow all the steps from beginning till the end, and if you do so, you can win this giveaway. And catch you guys on the winner announcement video. Till then, make sure you stay safe and peace.